Did you know the olive whistler can mimic the calls of other birds? It is found mainly in the southeastern regions of Australia. Its name comes from its distinct olive-green plumage. One unique ability is its mimicry. It can replicate the sounds of different bird species. This confuses predators and rivals. The olive whistler prefers dense, wet forests. Its melodic whistling can be heard from a distance. They play a crucial role in the ecosystem. By spreading seeds, they help in forest regeneration. Interestingly, they are quite secretive in nature. This makes spotting them a rewarding experience. Their diet mainly includes insects and berries. Hit the like button if you found this useful.